Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Dash Auto Works. Behind me we have a 2022 X6M getting some love, some intakes, Eventuri, of course, only the best, and of course we're doing an oil change to get rid of that terrible 0W30. I don't think the intakes at all right now make any noise, so we can try and make like a little noise, but I don't think it's gonna do anything. We're gonna activate launch control right now. Hopefully we don't go into the wall. We're not gonna go in the wall. Stock airbox. So we're gonna put up on the lift right now, change the oil, and we're gonna see how much louder it gets with those. Because the Eventuris, they don't come out of the front. They come out over here. Decent. Alright, took the oil cap off. Okay, drain the oil. Let's see how bad the oil is. Flying elephant, bro. Broken Range Rover, bro. Juna. Okay, got the drain plug right here. Got the oil filter cap here. Let's check for any oil leaks. Decent. Looks dry. Can't see much. Looks good to me. Okay guys, we got the 5W40 liquid moly. About to put it in. I changed the filter, drain the oil. Now we're gonna put the oil in. Then we're gonna start the intakes. We are removing this strut brace that connect to the airbox, so I don't know if I'm gonna have access to that to remove that. The intakes themselves pretty straightforward. I'm gonna take this out so it looks like a 10. Some clips. So we're gonna take that out. Take this out. Take the airboxes out. And then we'll start opening everything for the Eventuri intakes. The first one's out. Yay! So if this is what you're wondering what a time bomb looks like, this is what it looks like. Alright, we got the Eventuris over here. We got the engine bay cover, beauty cover. It's gonna be replaced by this one. We'll review that. And we gotta go through this box and separate everything. Hey guys, we got everything laid out. Beautiful carbon fiber beauty cover. Other side with some braces. And to make more sense, we're gonna replace this rubber piece with this one. So this one just pops out like this. And then we're gonna put this one like this, and then the air is gonna be getting whooshed out of there and there. Pretty straightforward, so let's get into it. Okay, as you guys can see, air is gonna be whooshing from here, from the turbo, and then air from these, from in here, designed to go through here, sucked in through there, blown off through there. Makes sense. Now we gotta take the filters. Pom. Engine cover. Pom. Got them fully installed. Just need to put the beauty cover back. Put this back. How do you guys like them? Engine bay cover is on. Beautiful. Happy guy, bro. Alright, let's put that brace back. Right now, we're just waiting for the oil measurement to come up so we can measure the oil before driving it or anything. So we're just waiting till the vehicle warms up.
I'll take you anywhere. Just tell me I'll be there. We don't need a plan. I like it unprepared. Whatever comes our way, we'll stay there for the day. So dream away.
Okay guys, we're good to go on the oil. Measurement came out great. We reset the oil light. So now, we're gonna have blow off now with the revs. Now let's see the real test. Okay. It sounds sick. We're gonna go for a little inside POV. See how the blow off's in there. Sounds sick. Let's check it out. Dude! Dude, he was right. You like from here. Even on the downshifts. Oh. Okay, let's close the windows. So sick. Dude. And Burrow wants me to drive. About to check out this situation. That's sick. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Big difference, bro. I love on the downshifts how it even like. It's cold in Chicago. He's about to do some flyby for me. Ready? That's what I was talking about. You see how it does it? Did it feel faster? A little bit or no?
I don't know. It's SUV, it's hard to tell.
Supposedly 30 wheel horsepower gains.
Maybe with the tune. This thing needs an exhaust now, bro.
Yeah, I got really quiet when you were when you were far away.
Yeah.
Hey guys, well that's gonna conclude this video. X6M is now whooshing. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, and until the next one, we are out.